It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's so coconut-a-nut-a-nuttity. This recipe, my gift to you. Hi guys, today we're going to make large cookies. We're going to start out with coconut washboards. These are a large coconut cookie with striations going down from left to right, so they're going to look like a washboard. I don't have light brown sugar today. I'm going to mix half and half dark brown sugar to granulated sugar. Why will this give me light brown sugar? Because light brown sugar is 3.5% molasses and dark brown sugar is 7% molasses, 6.5 to 7. So if you mix granulated sugar with dark brown sugar, then you will have light brown sugar. Now I'm going to take my butter. Make sure you get it all off the wrapper. Okay, and I'm going to cream that up. And I'm going to add my sugar. And mix that in. Stir, top to bottom, bottom to top. Get everything nice and creamed up. Okay. The most important thing is that we started with very soft butter. Now we're going to add our egg. Our water. Our vanilla. Baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Put it on a low speed. Add half of your flour. Top to bottom, bottom to top. Mix a little bit. Pour in the other half of the flour. On slow. Mix it again. Until it barely comes together. It's not fully incorporated. Now we're going to add our coconut. And mix it on low. Pick it up. Always get down to the bottom to make sure everything is mixed in nicely. And that should be it. Now that we have our dough out of the machine, we're going to take a tablespoon, nice heaping tablespoon, and put 24 portions of cookie dough on a tray. Now that we have 24 portions, we're going to put them in the refrigerator for about an hour. Okay, now it's 1 hour later, and we're taking these cookies and we're rolling them into logs. Okay, we're letting them come out to room temperature a little bit, and then we're going to push them down with a fork. Okay, so you